Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a quick tip for Canva. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices.
Hey guys, it's Jessa here with another quick tip for Canva. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the background remover. It's a really simple tool to use and it's actually really effective as well. So I'm going to be using a stock image today. You can use your own images if you want to, but I'm going to be using this great image here. So if you click the image, up in the top bar, click Effects. Now it's actually the very first option here. So you just click that background remover and that will load. It takes a second to process. And look at that, that has applied beautifully. So if I go ahead and resize that now, and if I change the background in Canva to something else, you'll see there's no background. So effective, I love it so much. Saves so much time because to do this in Photoshop, it would take ages.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.